Hello everyone, and welcome. If you're like me, you use generative AI tools like ChatGPT every day. But have you ever had this problem? You ask the AI to do something, like extract the key info from this text, and it gives you back a messy paragraph. Or you ask it to classify a customer review, and it writes a full essay instead of just positive or negative. It's frustrating, right? The reason this happens is that you're probably using a zero-shot prompt. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix this forever with a simple but incredibly powerful technique called few-shot prompting. So what is it? Few-shot prompting is a way to teach the AI what you want by showing it a few examples inside your prompt. This is also called in-context learning because the model learns from the examples you provide right then and there without any new training. To really get it, let's look at the three main types: zero-shot, one-shot, and few-shot. First, zero-shot. This is what most people do. You give the AI a task with 0 examples. For example, classify this tweet. I love this new product. You're relying only on the AI's pre-trained knowledge. It's a coin flip whether you'll get the format you want. Next, one shot. This is a step better. You give the AI one example. Like this, tweet. This is the worst service ever. Sentiment, negative. Tweet. I love this new product. Sentiment. This is much better. You've given it a hint. But for complex tasks, one example isn't always enough. And this brings us to few-shot prompting. This is where you give the AI 2 or more examples. This is where the magic happens. You build a pattern. Look at this prompt. Tweet. This is the worst service ever. Sentiment. Negative. Tweet. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Sentiment. Neutral. Tweet. I love this new product. Sentiment. By showing it negative and neutral, you're teaching the AI the full range of labels you want it to use. Its answer will be much more accurate. Let's look at two more powerful examples. This is my favorite. Let's say I want to extract names and job titles from text and get a clean JSON output. A zero-shot prompt like extract the info from this text would be a disaster. But a few-shot prompt? I'll show it the pattern. Text. We spoke to John Davis, a senior developer at Google. Name, John Davis. Title, senior developer, text. Apple's lead designer, Maria Chun, presented. Name, Maria Chun. Title, lead designer, text. On Monday, Sarah Jenkins, the new CEO of TechCorp, gave her interview. Now, the AI will see the pattern and only output the perfect JSON. It's not guessing, it's following your instructions. What if you want the AI to explain complex ideas in a very simple way? You can teach it your style. Concept, RAM, simple. It's your computer's short-term memory for active tasks. Concept, hard drive, simple. It's your computer's long-term memory where files are stored. Concept, CPU, simple. The AI will now follow your pattern and give you a simple, one-sentence explanation for CPU, not a giant technical article. So, to wrap up, when should you use few-shot prompting? 1. When you need the output in a specific format, like JSON, a table, or a list. 2. When the task is complex or nuanced, like sentiment analysis that includes neutral. 3. When you need to match a specific style or tone. And 4. Anytime your zero-shot prompt just isn't giving you the results you want. By moving from zero-shot to few-shot, you stop being a simple boss and you become a teacher to your AI. And you will get 10x better results every single time. I hope this video helps you build better prompts. If you found this useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials on generative AI and tech. And my question for you, what's the first task you're going to try with few-shot prompting? Let me know in the comments below.